Dear students, today I shall discuss a prose piece, and the title of the prose piece is Good Manners, written by J.C. Hill. Till now I have discussed many topics, and now you must go through the topics and listen to the lectures. I have repeatedly advised you to go through the materials properly and make the practice of writing as much as possible. Reading and writing both are essential. This will help you a lot while writing your answer in the examination. Good Manners is a thought-provoking essay written by J.C. Hill. It is an extract from the book of Hill, and the book is An Introduction to Citizenship. This prose piece teaches us a lot of lessons regarding good manners, the importance of good manners, and how we can cultivate it. The prose piece begins with the story of a young man. The young man was very proud of himself. He was very proud of his strength, and he was not courteous to others. While traveling by a bus, he made fun of others and did not help the helpless or the aging persons who remained standing beside him. Actually, he did not have sympathy for them. Once he fell ill. After a short period he recovered, but he could not regain his strength even after his recovery. He again started going by the bus, and his weakness proved a kind of obstacle whenever he had to remain standing. Now, at this moment, he understood the importance of well manners, good manners, and he changed his behavior. He started helping others, and he realized that he was a young man. Sooner or later, he would be in a position to recover his strength. But as far as the old people are concerned, they will never be as strong as he is.